In this video, you learn how to create a basic WordPress plugin without writing a single line of code. We'll use Cursor AI, or you can use Windsurf or any other AI code editor, and then we will just create this WordPress plugin. We'll implement OpenAI API integration, and then we'll install that plugin on a live WordPress website, and then we'll test that plugin by entering OpenAI API key and test our plugin if it is working fine or not. All of that we are going to achieve in this one tutorial. If you have never developed any WordPress plugin, doesn't matter, because we are going to use Cursor to write code for us and to write the project directory, and we'll try to make this plugin as simple as possible for you, so you won't get stuck in any of the process. You can just simply create a very basic WordPress plugin, install it on WordPress directory, and that's it. That's what you need to do. Before we start this tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Alright, first thing first, let's start with creating an empty project inside Cursor. So just open Cursor. If you don't know what is Cursor, Cursor is an AI code editor. Just go to cursor.com and download it. Next thing is then just click on File, Open Folder, create a new directory, create a new folder for your plugin, and just write AI plugin or whatever you want to name it. Just give a name to your plugin and simply just click on accept folder. I don't want to save any changes in my previous project, so I'll just click on just top 3, and then just straight away let's start giving it a command. I want to create a basic WordPress plugin that creates blog ideas. I want to create this plugin using OpenAI API key. Please create a very basic version of this plugin. Alright, that's it. And now while you are in your directory, just choose agent option and then click on submit. Now what it will do, it will just create all of the required files of your plugin inside your plugin directory. So let me just click on submit, and then now it will start creating all of this in there. Alright. The first file that it is creating is AI blog ideas.php. So WordPress plugins that whenever we create in PHP. So that's how it works. All right, we have got our another file. That's very basic. There's no other file, and there's just this file, and that has okay, fine. So it will just ask us. Okay, fine. So it has just created everything in one single file. Alright, I created a very basic WordPress file. Show menu. Creates a menu item in WordPress admin called AI blog idea. So this one file is enough for us to secure storage of API key, simple and intuitive. Okay, error handling, responsive UI with loading sites. Okay. Let's just try this as it is. So what you're gonna do, how we can actually implement this plugin onto a live WordPress website. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just go to our directory, and this was our plugin directory, right? There's only one file. So let's just right click and add to archive. Click on zip, and then create a zip file of your plugin. So then it will be almost, I think, 3 kbs file size, because it's just one size. Next thing is just go to your live WordPress website. If you don't know how to use WordPress, I'll create a separate video about that. But if you're watching this video, then for sure you know how to use WordPress. So I'll just go to one of my live websites. I'll just click on this. This is one of my live WordPress website. Make sure that you go to dashboard section. After that, what you're gonna do, you can simply just go to your plugin section. I'll just deactivate the previous version of another plugin. I'll just deactivate that. Click on add new plugin, and then click on upload plugin, and then click on choose file. Inside here, you just choose this zip file of your plugin. Click on install new, and then that's it. It should now create this AI blogs idea generator. AI blogs idea, this has now created here. Please enter your OpenAI key in your settings. So what I'll do, I'll just enter my OpenAI API key. I'll just copy it from here and save it. If you don't know how to create an OpenAI API key, sorry guys, because I created already. So just search on Google OpenAI API key. just search for, go to this URL, openai.com/index/openai/API. Click on this button, and then next thing is just sign in with your Google account, sign in with any Google account, and then go to your playground, dashboard section, then go to your API section, then go to your create new API, and then name your API, and then just click on create, and then it will just show you API key just like this. All right. Next thing is now once we have installed OpenAI API key, next thing is let's just go to AI blog ideas, enter topic or keyword. I'll just enter one topic, which is metaverse. Let's see what it generates. Click on that, and then it has now generated these blog ideas. Navigating the metaverse, a beginner's guide to virtual reality. Perfect. So that means our OpenAI integration is working. I think this is less than 5 minutes, and we just created an empty project inside Cursor. We created one file. So this plugin has just one file, and then this plugin actually asks for OpenAI API key. You can just get an OpenAI API key, give it an OpenAI API key, and then it will just do that. I think next thing that we can ask it to do is maybe start generating blogs on these. But yeah, I mean, the main purpose of this video tutorial was actually just to show you how you can create a WordPress plugin, then you can implement that WordPress plugin onto WordPress dashboard. So like just a simple basic WordPress plugin that does this simple basic task.